Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Theory Tuition series where we're working together step by step through each of the ABRSM Theory grades. There are lots of resources available to help you on my website. If you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets. They're available to download in US letter or A4 and they accompany each step of this series. There's also a page with links to all of my YouTube video tutorials, and you can access information about the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guidebook, How to Take Your ABRSM Music Theory Exam, and it's full of tips and techniques on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to best make use of the time when you're in the exam room. So if you go to sharonbill.com, it's all there for you. If you can give me a like, that'd be fab. Subscribe to my channel to keep updated. There's lots more to come. And now we're going to turn to paper S. If you turn with me to page 20 in the paper booklet. So this paper was never actually set as an exam paper. It's just given as an extra. It's just a specimen of questions that could come up. And so we'll just make a start on this first question. And so I do hope that you've had a go of this on your own first of all. It's much better to learn by your mistakes. It doesn't matter if you got wrong, you will learn that way. You're always writing in pencil, have a nice sharp pencil. Doesn't matter then, you can rub out and you'll need an eraser and a ruler and we're all ready to go. So I'm hoping you've had a go at these questions and now we'll work through them together. So all of the questions on this page relate to this little extract of music by Beethoven. And so it's going to ask us about that little extract. So question 1A asks us to give the meaning of non tanto. That means not so much. Now don't forget, in the new exam syllabus, these performance directions will be presented in a multiple choice format, but it's a good idea to just answer these questions anyway because it's good revision. Non tanto means not so much, not to be confused with non troppo, very similar, which means not too much. Sempre means always. There we go. Next question. Answer true or false to the following statement. The largest melodic interval between two notes next to each other in this melody is a minor sixth. Okay, so we're looking for a sixth of some sort, hopefully. And then we need to say if it's minor or major. So unless there's anything bigger than that, but I don't think so. So we're looking for a big interval for a start. That's a fourth. Third, fourth, nothing there here. This is the big interval, so that's the one that they're relating to. So it's a 1, 3, 5, 6. So it's a something sixth. But let's see what it is. So we've got a key signature of F, C, G sharp. So we're going from E to C sharp. Well, actually, that's a major sixth. C sharp is part of E major scale. If you're not too sure, I always suggest that you have your circle of fifths key signatures written out before you even start, and then you've just had to think of it once and it's all there ready for quick reference. So actually that's a false statement because it's a major sixth, not a minor sixth. Little difference there. Righty ho, cracking on. So write as a breve or a double whole note an enharmonic equivalent of the last note in bar 5. And so let's think about this. So bar 5, the last note is a D sharp. And so if you just think about your piano keyboard, if you're not sure about it, you can always just sketch one out quickly or have one written beforehand. So, very big fat keys there. Chunky piano, never mind, does the job. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And so D sharp, another way we can write that is E flat. So let's go for that. So there's our E as a breve or a double whole note. Get that on screen. and there's a flat, E flat. So that would be acceptable. There is another one you could choose. So F double flat would also work. So we could also do F double flat. Either of those answers will be acceptable. Let's carry on. So the next question, describe the time signature. Is it simple or compound? And is it duple, triple or quadruple? So let's see what this is here. So this is another way of writing 2/2, split common time or à la brève, 2/2. And you'll notice it's grouped in twos. This is a simple time. And as we've got 2 beats in a bar, it's duple. So that's easily done. Let's have a go at the next one. Rewrite the last note of the melody so that it sounds at the same pitch, but using the alto clef. So remember to put in the clef sign and the key signature. So we've got 3 things to do. We've got to do the clef sign, the key signature, and then rewrite the last note of the melody. So let's begin with the clef sign and the key signature of 3 sharps. So reallocate those. F sharp is the top space, C sharp is the middle line, that's where the clef relates to, and then G sharp is the top line. There's our key signature. So let's see what the last note of the melody is. Here we are, it's the A below middle C, C, B, A. And so to translate that into the alto clef, there's our C, B, A. There we go. Last question, we're cracking on through these. Draw a circle around a note in the melody that is not in the key of A major. So bear in mind, the key of A major is this key signature, so anything that steps outside of that, and so really it's got to be this one. There's no D sharp in the key of A major. So that's nicely done, nice and easy. Now we'll move to the next page, but we're not going to complete this page. I'm just going to draw your attention to this page. We're going to skip that because in the new syllabus there won't be any question asking you to complete a 4-bar rhythm or to write a rhythm to these words. So that's no longer on the syllabus, silly me. So we'll just skip that question, and so we'll leave it there for this video, and we'll address the next question in the next video. So if you want to go ahead and have a try at that next question, and then we'll work through that together in the next video. I do hope that's been helpful to you. If you can give me a like and a subscribe to my channel, that would be greatly appreciated. There's lots more in store. I do hope that you're enjoying this as much as I am. Please do visit sharonbill.com and make use of all of the information that's available there for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.